Yes, hello, all my viewers. Today I'm going to bring something new again. Since Donald Trump of United States announced coming to Nigeria to rescue Christians, to rescue them and save them from the hands of these murderers and killers, all the northern politicians, most of them cannot sleep in their homes anymore because they know that they are all involved. All, when I say all, I mean all. They are all involved. Since that very time, the terrorists and the bandits and all what you call them, they have changed strategy. This time around, when they abduct 100 children or 100 people, they will release 80, collect ransom, and go back to their usual spot where they stay and target people. What this means is the northern politicians, they can see all what they have cooked for the whole Nigeria, and it's falling back on them. The funny part of it is that they are not gaining anything with all this nonsense they are doing. Instead, they are spending more money. The money they're supposed to use to give people amenities, bring water, do good roads, and even give them electricity. They cannot do that. Instead, they are using those monies to pay ransom for no just cause. This wasn't their plan. Their plan was to come to the south, to the east, and invade them and take over their lands, as an invasion. But it's falling back on them. This is the reason why we said you should stop doing what is wrong. Every Muslim in the north is involved. All the politicians are all involved. All of them, from one to the last, because they had a meeting before they brought in Boko Haram and brought in ISWAP. Now it's falling on their head. The thing is that it is only happening upon the Christians. That is where it gets very bad. It is happening to the Christians in the north, and because every Muslim supports what Boko Haram, ISWAP, and other terrorists are doing in the north. Recently, over 300 puppies that were abducted by terrorists, 100 plus were released to the governor of Niger State, and the man was celebrating it. Okay, he celebrated it probably because life was saved, But come to think of it, these terrorists were breeded by them. They were the ones who called them to come and assist them. They were the one who brought them. They were the one who gave them ammunition. They were the one who has been giving them food, giving them shelter, and giving them information where they can go. Even when the Nigerian military want to invade and take them out, they will be the one to give information how to run away or how to be safe from Nigerian military. They are the one doing all these things, ranging from Shegumi, ranging from governor of Bauchi State, governor of Borno State. All of them, they are all involved. All of them, from Kaduna State, Sokoto, just name it, they are all involved. So I am not surprised. We are not surprised what is happening. But what we are after is Christians in the north should be saved. According to Donald J. Trump, is coming to save them. But my own plea is that he should come very speedily, because these guys are changing strategy in the sense that they want to release some of the puppies so that Donald J. Trump will soften his mind, or stop coming with the military might to come and bring all of them down. Because as you all know, Shegumi, their negotiator, is always on their side, giving them information, informing them what is happening, informing them what Nigerian government is doing, what military is doing. Shegumi is the one giving all of them information on how to go, how to be safe, or even how to dodge when they want to invade them. That is exactly what is happening. And that is why the terrorists continue to grow in numbers every day. They supply them food every day. They supply them ammunition every day. That's what they are doing. They even steal from Nigerian government military and give to them guns and bullets every day. That's what they are doing. My only concern here is that those who have their children studying or schooling in the north, if you are from the south and your children are in the northern states schooling, better withdraw them very fast, because they are going to abduct more children. According to the intel we are getting, they are going on rampage, on serious rampage, to kidnap both men and women, mostly from the school, and basically Christians. So if you have your children in the north and you are thinking that things will come down, things will be, easy, you are wasting your time. Withdraw all your children right now. Withdraw them, because more danger is ahead. More danger is ahead. We are only pleading Donald Trump, please, to come speedily, because these guys, their strategy, they are thinking that because they are also lobbying those ones they sent to you, the Erufai and the other guy Rebadu is lobbying serious lobbying, so that United States will not come. But they are not. They are the one who brought the military. The Boko Haram into Nigeria. They are the one. Now they want to lobby so that US will not come through Pentagon. That is what Rebadu is now seriously doing. They know what they are doing. But the US already have all the videos and all the tapes, everything. They have all the intels about what has happened and what is still going on, even those sponsoring them. They have all the intels. And in no distant time, they're going to come in. That is the intel as well. As they are getting intels, we are also getting intel to inform the general public. Those of you having your children in the north schooling, don't say we never informed you. We keep informing you what is going on, because we can see that these guys, they are very adamant. They are serious in this business. They are very serious. Now they are piling up the money, taking money to buy more ammunition to come and buy and kill more people, more Christians to be precise. So they must be stopped. It is a warning. If your children are schooling in the north, go and bring them out. Take them out. Put them in the south immediately. Put them in the south so that they will be safe at least. Studying can come later. But for now, go and withdraw all these guys. Their plan is more than what you are thinking. They have more plans than what you think. So this is what we have today. I think we're going to stop here. We'll bring you more intel coming from the north and also, around, so that you know what is going on. Thank you for listening, and do share this video so that people, those that their children are in the north, so that they can get to see it and do the needful. Thank you so much, and remain blessed.